Hey guys, I'm Amina and my sister doesn't want to do this. She's in our room watching TV. So anyways, this is a slime kit and it's from Craft City. So let's get on with the video. I opened up everything and we didn't want this because it was cheap and it was broken, so we're not going to use this. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of glue. So let's do it. This is a lot of glue right now. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water, so let's do it. Start stirring. It's like a little watery. Now we're gonna add slime activator. One. This looks like Tide, guys. 2. Then we're gonna put this down on a napkin and start stirring. Stir. Guys, it's getting up to like it's gooey. It's so gooey. Ooh, it's sticking to the straw. It really looks like Tide. So comment down below if you think this looks like Tide. I'm just gonna pour the glitter in here. Down. Then we're gonna start mixing again. Another teaspoon of activator. But the consistency is looking very, very gooey. So so it's really gonna be. I think it's gonna work out good. And this is my sister right here. She came back. I'm playing the video with you guys. And I don't feel because I was playing on the chair, but I was playing with my Barbies, but I fall and then I didn't feel good. Then I'm gonna mix it. I want it to be very glittery to make it look fabulous. But every time I add some activator, it gets larger and larger. So that's probably what we're gonna do for now. Add a few more drops of activator. Then maybe we're gonna add a little bit more glitter. I love glitter. So use the spinning. No. Just keep stirring. I wanna do the spinning. It's so gooey. You have to see that. Put it right up. See that clump of glitter? It's so gooey, Mommy. So it's gonna be sticky when you take it out. Oh. Okay, guys. It's like glittery. I didn't expect it to be. Can I place it? Okay. I'm gonna place it. Okay. So you gonna have? I gonna have. I'm gonna get this. It's so gooey and
yeah, it's like glittery and stuff. After this, you gotta wash your hands.
Yeah. So guys, remember, after you use, if you have this, after you use the slime, you have to wash your hands or you're gonna get sick. Daddy's home.
Oh, Daddy's gonna freak out.
Thank you guys for watching and hit the subscribe button. Which part did you like? And comment below and give us a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.